social interest in well-being has risen significantly over recent years. Therefore, it has become a trend that an increasing number of households make soybean milk or tofu at home. However, existing tofu makers use fresh beans, creating a lot of noise and taking too much time. There is an issue with taste too because particles of soybean milk and tofu are coarse. Having improved upon these problems, Yumi원 provides a total solution, the only and the world's first, by commercializing a powder-based tofu maker for home in the field of whole tofu making based on powder. By making 800 mesh ground soybean powder with Korea's first high-speed airflow type grinder for soybean, we have been able to shorten production time to minimum 5 minutes, and maximum 9 minutes in making soybean milk. Therefore, consumers can ingest 100% of nutrients from soybean, while enjoying its taste. Our product is consisted of steam outlet, overflow prevention sensor, blade, power connection, power plug and control panel. If you look closely at the tofu making process using Yumi원's soybean powder, first, you pour 750 milliliters of water into the main body, and add 150 g of soybean powder. At this moment, you do not have to try to mix powder with water. After placing the main body on a flat area and connecting power, you select powder tofu button on the control panel, and press start button to run the maker. There will be many repetitions of heating and stirring, before the buzzer goes off after approximately 5 minutes, when soybean milk for powder-based tofu has been made. Mix coagulant with the milk and pour it into former wound, and let it coagulate for about 1 hour. Next is how to make soy milk. First, you pour 780 milliliters of water into main body, and add 120 g of soybean powder. Since powder doesn't lump regardless of temperature of water, you can make it at your convenience. You do not have to mix the powder with water. You select powder soy milk button on the control panel, and press the start button to run the maker. After many repetitions of heating and stirring, if the buzzer goes off after about 5 minutes, you have made soy milk that's as smooth and aromatic as milk. If you want to make soy milk using fresh beans, put cleanly washed beans into the main body after accurate calculation. Then, you pour water somewhere between lower limit and upper limit, and select the fresh beans soy milk function. After many repetitions of heating and stirring, fresh beans soy milk will have been made, when the buzzer goes off after approximately 25 minutes. Yumi원's tofu maker can be used not only to make soy milk and tofu, but also to boil water or function as a mixer with various functions, such as smooth porridge and health porridge. Also, it has washing function so hygienic cooking is very much possible. Significant time shortened for production. Without wastewater or discharge of residue, high production efficiency with small amount. Excellent taste with ultra-fine grain, 100% of nutrients from soybean. The world's first commercialization. Powder-based whole tofu maker for home use. Yumi원's tofu soy milk maker has been recognized for its excellence domestically as well as internationally. Domestic patent registration, overseas design patent registration, domestic design patent application card, and even overseas patent application card. Yumi원 promises to help you maintain your health by making the highest quality products with continuous research and development.